Stock the pantry, a guide to understanding and using this common phrase. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard in English conversations or seen in writing. Stock the pantry. Understanding phrases like this can be very helpful in everyday English communication, especially if you're learning the language. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to stock the pantry and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. The phrase, stock the pantry, refers to the act of filling up a pantry with food and supplies. A pantry is a small room or a storage area in a home where food, dishes, linens, and provisions are kept. When you stock it, you're essentially making sure that you have all the necessary items you need for future use. This could mean buying groceries, canned goods, spices, or any other essentials that you want to have on hand. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The term, stock, in this context comes from the idea of stocking up or replenishing supplies. Historically, the concept of a pantry dates back to times when people needed to store food and provisions to survive through winters, emergencies, or just everyday life. Stocking the pantry was, and still is, a way of preparing and ensuring that there is enough food and supplies at home. In English, this phrase can be used both literally and figuratively. 1. Literally, when you go to the grocery store and buy items to fill your pantry, you're literally stocking the pantry. For example, I spent the afternoon stocking the pantry, so we're ready for the week ahead. 2. Figuratively, the phrase can also be used in a broader sense to mean preparing for future needs. For example, our company is stocking the pantry by investing in new technologies. To help you understand better, here are a few examples of how the phrase can be used in sentences. After moving into our new home, we spent the weekend stocking the pantry with all our favorite foods. Before the storm hits, let's make sure to stock the pantry so we have enough supplies. My grandmother always said that a well-stocked pantry is the sign of a well-prepared household. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, stock the pantry. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the culture and history behind them. By understanding phrases like this, you're not just learning English, you're also getting a glimpse into the lifestyle and thought processes of English-speaking cultures. So next time you hear someone say they need to stock the pantry, you'll know exactly what they're planning to do. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!